Hello. Now let us start with polynomials. देखो polynomials. Now let us understand what are polynomials. Polynomials क्या होता है? Okay. Now what is a polynomial? Suppose x square plus 3x power 4. Okay. First one, let us understand what is a monomial. Monomial consists of how many terms? One term. One term is what? X, y, z. These all are what? Monomials. Clear? Now coming to binomial. Binomial means what? It consists of two terms. Now what is a polynomial? A polynomial can be either a monomial or binomial or trinomial. A combination of anything can be what? A polynomial. Clear? Any doubts? Polynomial can be what? Anything, either a monomial or a binomial or trinomial, okay, or a multinomial. This all can be categorized as what? Polynomial. Clear? But there are some rules, okay, for being a polynomial. Okay, the polynomial degree should not be negative. Sir, what do you mean by negative, sir? X power minus 2. Now if you see, no, what is the degree over here? Power is what? Minus 2. Clear? So a polynomial should not consist of what? Negative power. Any doubts? Clear? Now see, polynomial degree should not be negative. Now you tell me 1 by x square plus y square. This can be classified as polynomial? Yes, right? Yes. And it is a big no. Why? 1 by x square, you are thinking this is a positive degree. But x square, if it goes up, no, what it will become? X power minus 2 plus y square. Now, can it become a polynomial? No. Right. So, polynomial should not have a degree in negative. That is one sign. Okay. And now coming to the second point. Okay. Second point क्या रहता बोले तो? Polynomial should not have a fractional power. Now see, a polynomial should not have what? Fractional power. Now what do you mean by fractional power? देखो, fractional power क्या होता है? X power 2 by 3, x power 4 by 3. Here if you see, no, the degree is what? The power is what? In fraction. So polynomial cannot have what? Fractional power. Understood? Did not understand? This is the basic thing. Okay, clear? Now let us understand how to find the zeros of the polynomial. Now see, how to find the zeros of the polynomial. How to find the zeros of the polynomial? See, first bit, f of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Now x square minus 2x minus 8. How to find the zeros of the polynomial? Now let us understand what are zeros of the polynomial. What are zeros of the polynomial? If you put some value in this polynomial, like x place, if you put by chance 2 samajh lo, okay, if you put 2, what is the value? 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 8, which is 2 square is 4 minus 8. So 4 minus 12 kitna hota? Minus 8. Did we get 0? No. So what value we need to put in the polynomial function so that the function will become 0. Function will become 0. That we are going to understand here. Now, how do you get the zeros, sir? See, we get zeros by doing what? Factorization. Okay, by factorization you can find what? Zeros of the polynomial. Now how to find that? You see, Now what is this? X square minus 2x minus 8. Any doubts in this? No. Now how to do the factorization, sir? Let us understand a is equal to 1, which represents the coefficient of x square, and b is equal to what? Minus 2. C is equal to what? Minus 8. First what we need to do? A into c, which is what? 1 into minus 8. Clear? 1 into minus 8 is what? Minus 8. Now minus 8, how you can split? You can use 1 8s, 2 4s, okay, 2 4s, 4 2s, that is same only. Clear? Now here you are having what? Minus 2. Clear? Minus 2, is it possible by doing plus or minus over here? 1 plus 8 is what? 9. 1 minus 8 is what? 7. Here 2 plus 4 is what? 6. 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 aa gaya, right? 2 minus 4, if you do know, you'll get what? Minus 2. So you need to split the middle term by using that only. X square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. Any doubts? Clear? Now in this both what we can take common? X. If you take x common, no, x plus 2 minus 4 into x plus 2. So x minus 4 into x plus 2. These are the zeros of the polynomial. Now I did not understand, sir, why these are the zeros. Now if I take x minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? X is equal to how much? 4. If I substitute 4 in this polynomial, no, it will become what? 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 8, which is 16 minus 8 minus 8, which is 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. Clear? Understood? So these are the zeros of the polynomial, which means the value of x, where when you put in the polynomial function, no, it is going to become what? 0. Clear? Any doubts? समझ में आया सबको? Perfect. Please make a note of it. Now Seema, there can be second point in the question, that verify the relationship of the roots. Okay, verify the relationship between the zeros. Verify the relationship of zeros. Clear? Now how to find the relationship of zeros, you see? Okay, now we are having two roots. We are having what? Two roots or two zeros. One zero we can take it as what? Alpha, and another zero you can take it as what? Beta. Clear? One zero you can take it as what? Alpha, and another zero you can take it as what? Beta. Now what are the two zeros? One is what? 4 and minus 2. One is 4 and another one is what? Minus 2. It is very very important. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to कितना आ जाएगा? 4. And x minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? Minus 2. Any doubts? Clear? Now we are having two zeros. One is 4 and another one is what? Minus 2. Now there is a rule that alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a, and product of the zeros is equal to c by a. Now alpha is how much? 4. Beta is how much? Minus 2. Now minus b value is how much? How much did we take ABC values? B value is what? Minus 2. Minus of minus 2 divided by a value is what? 1. So 4 minus 2, 2. Minus of minus plus 2. Now alpha beta. So 4 into minus 2 is equal to c value is how much? Minus divided by a value is how much? 1. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 is equal to minus 8. We have verified the relationships also. Now what are alpha and beta? Alpha and beta are what? Two zeros. One zero is alpha and another zero is what? Beta. Clear? Any doubts in this? समझ में आया नहीं आया आपको? Alpha and beta are what? Two zeros. Clear? Sum of the roots are what? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. Any doubts in this? Clear? Now let us do. Now let us shift to the second gear and we'll do fastly now. Okay, second वाला देखो, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. ओके 4s स्क्वायर माइनस 4s प्लस 1, 4s स्क्वायर माइनस 4s प्लस 1 को कैसे करना, लेट अस राइट फर्स्ट वन, a इज इक्वल टू 4, b इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4, c इज इक्वल टू 1. नाउ स्टार्ट स्प्लिटिंग दैट, 4s स्क्वायर माइनस 2s प्लस 1. नाउ व्हाट यू कैन टेक कॉमन इन दिस बोथ, 2s, तब क्या रहता 2s माइनस 1 रहता, हियर माइनस 1 यू कैन टेक कॉमन, 2s माइनस 1, so 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1, so I can do what, 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, so s is equal to 1 by 2, this is 1 0, and 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, s is equal to what, 1 by 2, minus 1 goes that side, now it will become plus 1 and 2 goes down, so 1 by 2 is 1 0 and 1 by 2 is another 0. I told you that zeros should be marked as what, alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to what, 1 by 2, clear, beta is equal to 1 by 2. Now how to verify the relationships, what is the formula, alpha plus beta is equal to what, minus b by a, alpha beta is equal to what, c by, clear, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to what, c by a. Now alpha is the one of the 0, 1 by 2, beta is another 0, 1 by 2, what is minus b, minus of minus 4 upon a value is what, 4, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what, 1, minus minus a 4, 4 upon 4, 4 4 is a 1, so 1 is equal to 1, we have verified the relationship appropriately. Now alpha beta is equal to what, c by a, alpha is how much, 1 by 2, beta is how much, 1 by 2, c by a, c is nothing but 1, a is what, 4, now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, here also 1 by 4, we have verified the relationships as well. Any doubts, clear, समझ में आया नहीं आया, please make a note of it. Now see the third one, t square minus 15, clear, t square minus 15, how to find the zeros of this polynomial. Now t square minus 15, this 15 can be written as what, root 15 whole square, right, root 15, root and square gets cancelled. Now this looks like which formula, a square minus b square, which can be written as what, a plus b into a minus b, okay, this is possible only in this case, so t plus root 15 into t minus root 15, this is the answer. And एक बार ये भी लिख लो, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 15. Why b is equal to 0? X coefficient is what, 0 over here, so t coefficient is what, 0, so b is equal to what, 0. Now alpha plus beta is equal to what, minus b by a, alpha beta is equal to what, c by a. Before that we want alpha beta, no sir, alpha and beta. Now what is alpha value, t plus t plus under root 15 is equal to what, 0, t plus under root 15 is equal to 0, so t is equal to what, minus root 15, here t minus root 15 is equal to 0, so t is equal to what, under root 15. Any doubts? Now alpha place I can put what, minus root 15, beta place I can put what, plus root 15, clear, minus b by a. Minus b value is how much? 0. Divided by a value is what? 1. So minus root 15 plus root 15 cancel. 0 is equal to what? 0. Alpha into beta is equal to what? C by a. Now alpha is what? Minus root 15 into root 15 is equal to c by a. C is what? Minus 15 divided by what? 1. So minus root 15 into plus root 15 कितना हो जाता? Minus 15. So minus 15 is equal to minus 15. Any doubts? Clear? समझ में आया नहीं आया? Understood? Like that. We have proved the relationship as well, and we have found the roots as well for the equation. Clear? Any doubts? Done ma? Third one. Now let us see the fourth question. Six x square minus 3 minus 7x. Now see. I'm sorry. Now see, if you see now here, there is some mischief in this question. What is that mischief? Now they are not in the order. Order में नहीं है वो. Order में नहीं है. So we need to write that in the order first. So 6x square minus 7x square minus 7x minus 3. Any doubts? So a value is what? 6. B value is what? Minus 7. C value is equal to what? Minus 3. Now how to split minus 7x? A into C, which is how much? 6 into minus 3, which is minus 18. Now minus 18, 7 आना बोले तो क्या कर सकते हैं? 9 into 2 you can use. Okay, minus 9 plus 2x. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Clear? Any doubts? Now 6x square and 9x, what you can take common? 3x. तब क्या रहता? 2x minus 3 plus 1 if you take common, no? 2x minus 3. So 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. Any doubts? So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. Now alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. Alpha is what? Minus 1 by 3 plus beta is what? 3 by 2 is equal to minus b by a. Minus of minus 7 divided by a is what? 6. So minus 2 plus 9 divided by what? 6. So minus of minus is what? 7 by 6. Minus 9 plus 2 is what? 7 by 6. 7 by 6. Alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. Alpha is what? Minus 1 by 3. Beta is what? 3 by 2 is equal to C by a is what? Minus 3 divided by a is what? 6. 3 cancel, which is minus 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3 2s are, which is minus 1 by 2. That's it. Any doubts? Clear with this? Any clarity is required? Clear? Everything we have done now. समझ में आया ना यहाँ? Now 6x square minus 7x minus 3. C. Minus 7, how we need to split minus 9 into 2? Clear? Any doubts? Did not understand? Clear? Everyone? Once done, let me know. Now see ma, fifth one. 7y square minus 11y divided by 3 minus 2 by 3. 7y square minus 11y by 3 minus 2 by 3. How to do this one? Let us take this as 0. Okay, this is equal to 0. Okay, we are finding the zeros of the polynomial now. So polynomial is equal to 0. Clear? So 3 into 7y square is what? 21y square minus 11y minus 2 whole divided by 3 is equal to what? 0. 3 goes that side. So 21y square minus 11y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 21, b is equal to minus 11, c is equal to minus 2. Any doubts? Clear? Now what is a into c? Which is 21 into minus 2, which is minus 42. Clear? minus 42 बोले तो कैसे स्प्लिट करेंगे? So that 11 आना बीच में. So 14 3s are 14 3s are. Clear? Sir, how do you know exactly 14 3s are? Simple. What is first one? 2 table it will go. 2 into 21. Next it will go in what? 3 table. 3 into 14. Now 3 and 14 if you use no, subtract, then you will get what? 11. And one more golden rule I am telling you. See, whenever we are getting what? A into c as minus number, one should be in positive and another should be what? In negative. Then only it will be a negative number in the multiple. Okay, plus into minus is only what? Minus. Minus into plus or plus into minus. Clear? So minus 11 means what? 21y square minus 14y plus 3y, and always big number should be negative. Okay, minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Now 21y square minus 14y, what we need to take common? 7y. Then you will get what? 3y minus 2. Here 1 if you take common, now 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, which is 7y plus 1 into 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. So 7y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to what? Minus 1 by 7. 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to what? 2 by 3. Minus 2 goes that side, it will become plus 2, and this 3 goes in division. Okay, 2 by 3. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. Now alpha value is how much? Minus 1 by 7, plus beta value is how much? 2 by 3, which is equal to minus b by a. Minus of minus 11 divided by 21, and alpha beta value is equal to what? C by a, which is minus 1 by 7 into 2 by 3 is equal to c value is what? Minus 2 divided by 21. Now if you see now, minus 1 into 2 is what? Minus 2 divided by 21 is equal to minus 2 by 21. Any doubts? ये देखो, minus 1 by 7 plus 2 by 3 कितना होता? Minus 3 plus 14 divided by 21 is equal to minus of minus plus 11. 11 divided by 21. Clear? And 14 minus 3 is what? 11 only. 11 divided by 21. Both are same. So we have verified even. Here, like this we need to do. Any doubts, ma? Am I clear? Once done, let me know, ma. Clear? Next देखो. Done. 2x square plus 7 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 4. ये कैसे करना? Same to same. First let us take LCM. So make our life little easy. So what? 4 will become the LCM. So 4 आना बोले तो ये कितना होता? You need to multiply with what? 4 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. So it will become 8x square by 4. इसको 2 से multiply करें तो 14x divided by 4. This will become 3 by 4 only. Clear? So answer is 8x square plus 14x plus 3 whole divided by what? 4 is equal to what? 0. Here 4 goes that side. So 8x square plus 14x plus 3. Any doubts? Clear? Did not understand. Now what is a value? 8. What is b value? 14. What is c value? 3. Clear? Okay, ma. Now what is a into c? Which is 8 into 3, which is 24. Now 24 how you will split so that 14 ana? First basically we will check what? One table, 124s are. Second we will check what? Two table, 2 into 12. Now 2 and 12 को कुछ करे तो 14 आता क्या? Yes, 2 plus 12 will get what? 14. So we need to split like this: 8x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 3. Now what you can take common in 8x and 12x? 8x square and 12x, you can take 4x common. So 2x plus 3 hota, plus 1 into 2x plus 3. So which is 4x plus 1 into 2x plus 3, right? Now 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 1 by 4. 2x plus 3 is equal to what? 0. X is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2. Any doubts? Clear? Now what we can do? Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Alpha beta, which is equal to what? C by a. Now what did we get? Alpha and beta value. Alpha value is minus 1 by 4, beta value is minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means what? Minus b is minus 14 divided by a value is what? 8. So this is nothing but 7 by 4 आना चाहिए when you add no. So minus 2 minus 3 4s are minus 12 divided by what? 4 2s are 8, which is minus 14 upon 8, which is 7 divided by 4. So this is equal to minus 7 by 4. We have proved it here correctly. Now alpha into beta is equal to what? C by a. Now alpha is how much? Minus 1 by 4. Beta is how much? Minus 3 by 2 is equal to C by a. C is what? 3. A is what? 8. Now if you see now, minus into minus plus 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. Thereby we have finished this. Here समझ में आया नहीं आया? Understood? Now Siva, write down the second bit heading for each of the following. Find a quadratic polynomial whose sum and respectively of the zeros also find the zeros of these polynomials by factorization. Now what do you mean by this? अब देखो, what is the question is, for each of the following find a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are given. Sum and product of the zeros will be given. We need to find the quadratic polynomial. We need to find the equation of the polynomial. अब कैसे find करेंगे sir? Now see, first let us understand the question. First वाला क्या है? Minus 8 by 3 comma 4 by 3. 8 by 3 comma 4 by 3. 8 by 3 comma 4 by 3. This is what? Sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is given as what? Minus 8 by 3. Alpha beta is given as what? 4 by 3. Now how to find the quadratic polynomial using this? Now what is the rule? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the quadratic polynomial. How, what you need to find? X square minus alpha plus beta value is how much? Minus 8 upon 3 x plus alpha beta value is how much? 4 upon 3. Minus into minus plus. So x square plus 8 by 3 x plus 4 by 3. Okay, till here you can leave. This is the quadratic polynomial. If you want to do more, what you can do is x square plus 8 by 3 x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. So what you can do? 3x square plus 8x plus 4 whole by 3 is equal to 0. We can take LCM and we can send this side. So it will become what? 3x square plus 4. Any doubts? Here समझ में आया नहीं आया? Now not only this, they are not asking us to find the equation, but they are asking us even find what? The zeros of the polynomial. अब zeros of the polynomial कैसे find करेंगे? Same process like earlier what we have done, splitting the middle term and finding the zeros. Clear? Where did they go? Very good. You know, that is the difference. See, alpha plus beta is given. Alpha and beta individually are not given. That we are finding. Clear? Alpha plus beta is given. Alpha comma beta are not given. वो find करना है. Clear? That is the difference. Clear? Understand these basic differences. There only you'll do these silly mistakes. Clear? Now how do we get this C? 3x square plus 8x plus 4. Now a is equal to 3, b is equal to 8, c is equal to 4. Now a into c is equal to 3 into 4, which is 12. Okay, 12 how you can split so that 8 aana chahiye. 6 and 2 you can use. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So 3x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 4. इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? 3x. Then you will be getting what? x plus 2 plus 2 कॉमन लिए तो x plus 2. Now 3x plus 2 into x plus 2. This is what? Now here I am writing, see, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 2 by 3. And x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? Minus 2. These are the zeros. Understood? This is alpha, this is beta, and this is what? Alpha plus beta, not alpha. And this is what? Alpha beta. Given sum of the roots and product of the roots, not alpha and beta individually. Clear? समझ में आया? Don't make this silly mistake. Clear? Did not understand? Got it. Fine. Now see ma, 21 by 8 comma 5 by 16. 21 by 8 comma 5 by 16. Now alpha is equal to 21 by 8. Beta is equal to 5 by 16. Right? This is the biggest blunder. What is given in the question? This is alpha plus beta, which is 21 by 8. And this is what? Alpha beta, which is nothing but 5 by 16. We need to understand clearly the difference between this and this. In the question, it is clearly specified that what? Sum of the roots and product of the roots, not individually alpha comma beta. Zeros bol ke nahi bole, sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. From this, how to find the equation? What is the formula I told? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is very easy. X square minus alpha plus beta, I can substitute what? 21 by 8x plus alpha beta, I can substitute what? 5 by 16. Clear? Now 2 LCM I am doing 16. It will become what? 16x square minus 42x plus 5 whole divided by what? 16 is equal to what? 0. So you can send this side. So what is the equation? 16x square minus 42x plus 5 is equal to what? 0. Any doubts ma? Clear? Now a value is equal to what? 16. B value is equal to what? Minus 42. C value is equal to what? 5. Now a into c is equal to what? 16 into 5, which is 80. Okay, 80 how you are going to split so that you will get what? 42. 2 into 40 is what? 2 plus 40? 42. Perfect. So 16x square minus 2x minus 40x plus 5. Clear? Now see how to take common. What you can take? 16 and 2. 2 is the common factor and x is also the common factor. So now here I can take what? 2x as common. Then it will be what? 8x minus 1. Here I can take what? Minus 5 as common. It will be what? 8x minus 1. So it is 2x minus 5 into 8x minus 1. Clear? Thereafter what you can do? Up 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 8. X is equal to what? 5 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 8. X is equal to 5 by 2. Clear? So alpha is equal to 5 by 2. Beta is equal to 1 by 8. Now what I need to prove? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. Now alpha is what? 5 by 2. Beta is what? 1 by 8 minus b by a. Minus of minus 42 upon 16. So 8 5s are 40 plus 2 divided by what? 16. Clear? Minus of minus plus 42 divided by 16. Clear? So both the ways, 40 plus 2, 42 by 16. Yeah, be 42 by 16. This is proved. Now alpha beta is equal to what? sorry, wait, we need not do this. We need to find what? Only this much that are already given now. इतना ही है. You need to find alpha and beta. बस खत्म. Clear? Understood? Did not understand? समझ में आया नहीं आया? Perfect. Now let us do the next question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. Now find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha beta. Now 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha beta we need to find. How to find that? Now what is the equation? X square minus 5x plus 4. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to 4. Now A into C is equal to what? 1 into 4, which is 4. 4 how to split so that you get what? 5. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Now but the thing is what? Again minus x square minus 4x minus 1x plus 4. Any doubts? So x if I take common, no, x minus 4 minus 1 if I take common, no, x minus 4. Now x minus 1 into x minus 4. Clear? So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4, x is equal to 1. Okay, so alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 4. Now we have got the roots of the equation, but our motive is not to find the roots of the equation. We need to find what? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha beta. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by beta. Beta is what? 4 minus 2 into alpha value is what? 1. Beta value is what? 4. So 1 by 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 8. So here I can do what? LCM. Clear? So 4 plus 1 minus 32 divided by what? 4. Sir, how sir? Into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Clear? So 4 plus 1 minus 32 is what? Minus 27 by 4. That's it. Any doubts? Clear? समझ में आया नहीं आया? समझ में आया? समझ में आया? अब देखो फोर्थ वाला क्वेश्चन. If alpha and beta are the zeros polynomial p of y is equal to 5y square minus 7y plus 1. Find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, they are telling. Okay, now if you see now 5y square minus 7y plus 1, same to same. A is equal to what? 5, b is equal to what? Minus 7, c is equal to what? 1. So now a into c, which is what? 5 into 1, which is 5. 5 को कैसा split करेंगे so that we get 7? We are having what option? 1 into 5 is only the option. Why? Because 5 is a prime number. Clear? 1 plus 5 करे तो 7 आता क्या? No. 1 minus 5 करे तो 7 आता क्या? No. So in this case what we need to do, sir? Now in this case what we need to do means, clear, what we can do is we can't use what? Splitting the middle term and finding the zeros. Here what we need to focus is what they are asking us to find: 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Let us simplify this one. So 1 into beta is beta, 1 into alpha is alpha, divided by what? Alpha beta, which is alpha plus beta divided by what? Alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. What is alpha beta? C by a cancel. Answer is what? Minus b by c, which is minus of b value is what? Minus 7, divided by c value is what? 1. So 7 by 1, which is 7. Any doubts? Did not understand? Huh? Understood? Did not understand? Clear? So इसका आंसर कितना हो गया? 7. Clear? So why did we do this in this process? If you could able to simplify, no, you will get alpha value and beta value individually and we can find it out. There is one provision called as what? Quadratic formula you can use and you can find the roots still. Clear? But still we don't want that all things. We can do what? By using this method. Simplification करके कर सकते हैं. Clear? नहीं समझ में आया तो बोलो, फिर से समझाता हूँ. If 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to 4x square minus 8kx minus 9, clear, is negative of the other, find the value of k. Now if one of the 0 of the quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to 4x square minus 8kx minus 9 is negative of other, then find the value of k. Now what do you mean by negative बोल के बोल रहे? Now see, one is alpha, other one will become what? Minus alpha. They are telling that one. Okay, beta is going to become what? Minus alpha. Negative. Clear? Negative number. Clear? समझ में आ रहा? Negative number बोल के बोल रहे. अब देखो, what we can apply? We know that alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Clear? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now we know alpha as alpha only and beta is what? Minus alpha, and minus b from this value polynomial is what? 4x square minus 8kx minus 9. A is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 8k, c is equal to minus 9. So here if you put no, alpha minus alpha will become what? 0, sir. No, minus b by a. Minus b by a is what? Minus of minus 8k divided by a, which is 4. Clear? So this will become what? 0. 0 is equal to what? 2k, right? Minus of minus plus 8k divided by 4. 4 1 4 2 za. So 2k is equal to 0. K is equal to what? 0. Any doubts? Did not understand means again we can do. Clear? समझ में आया? So k is equal to what? 0. Clear? This is how we need to do. अब देखो 6th वाला क्वेश्चन. If the sum of zeros polynomial f of t is equal to kt square plus 2t plus 3k is equal to the product. Then find the value of k. Here kt square plus 2t plus 3k. Now a value is what? K. B value is what? 2. C value is what? 3k, right? This we are having. Now what they are telling, if the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is equal to the product, then find the value of k. Now what they are telling, alpha plus beta. They are telling that alpha plus beta is equal to what? Alpha beta. Sum of the zeros is equal to what? Product of the zeros. What do you mean by this? Minus b by a is equal to what? C by a. So a cancel, which is minus b is equal to c. Minus b is what? Minus of 2. C is what? 3k. So k is equal to what? Minus 2 by 3. That's it. हो गया sum. बहुत easy. Clear? Any doubts in this? Clear? समझ में आया नहीं आया? Yes. Sum हो गया. This is the first part of the polynomials what we have done today. Tomorrow we'll continue with the second part. Here, thank you.